Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the pound dollar. Now the pound dollar is still stuck at that trend line, and you can expect further consolidation before the market picks the direction in which it's going to go to, because all you have to do is look at the previous time that the market has been at that level. We can see the kind of consolidation the market had at those levels. So if we drop this down to our hourly time frame, let's see if we do have any potential trading opportunities leading up to this week. Well, the market has been making a lot of sell structures. If you're familiar with sell structures and wave analysis, you're going to see the market has been making a lot of those. We had the first one here during the week, which me and my traders took last week, and the market is on the verge of forming another sell structure here. So you can look for this market to break this level and continue going down. So the one most important level that you need to watch out on the downside, it's down here around 129.84. So look for this market to come back down into this level. If it breaks this level, then you can keep your trade, because this could be the start of the downward impulse leg. However, also bear in mind that the fact that on the higher time frame, the market is likely going to consolidate further for at least a couple more weeks.